We bought this ranch in '72, and so I've been here 45 years. And it's just God's country, you know. I got my closest neighbor out the back of my house about 5 miles, so I don't have to worry about any noise.
Marin County has been seeking to make updates to its local coastal program. And as part of those updates, they've placed a restriction that's really unique to the agricultural zone. What that is if you seek a permit to build a dwelling in the agricultural zone, the county wants you to promise that the landowner will remain actively and directly engaged in agriculture. And what this is doing is using people's property to place a restriction on the landowner, forcing them to do a particular career, and essentially giving them a choice. Either remain engaged in agriculture forever or get rid of the property.
Government controlling my life. I just want to build a house for my son. You know, we're not talking about environmental issues. We're just talking about building a house, and I have to stay in agriculture to see that it get done. Otherwise, he can't build it.
Willie's a bit of a character, but he's also a huge part of Marin County. He's been a beneficial aspect to this county for decades, almost 55 years, a huge part of the agricultural community, and an icon that's recognized nationwide for his turkeys and his commitment to free-range farming. So placing these types of severe burdens on someone who's done so much to help this community just feels patently unfair.
It started in '63 as an FFA project, and just kind of ballooned after college, you know. First it was a fresh jerky for Thanksgiving. Then we got into showing it how it could be cut up into steaks and ground turkey and rolls and smoked, and then our final in 1980 was showed how it could be cooked. We bought a restaurant, Willie Bird Restaurant, and showed how to be cooked. One of our favorite, or the most eaten dish is the Willie Bird Special, Thanksgiving dinner every day.
Willie's making a use of his property that's very typical. He's engaged in agriculture right now. He wants to have his children close to him. At some point, he wants to step back from his business. But what he doesn't want to do is give up ownership of his land. And that's the choice that this restriction is putting on him. This doesn't just put burdens on Willie, this puts burden on every landowner in the agricultural zone. So we're asking the court to declare that it's facially unconstitutional and order the Marin County Board of Supervisors not to enact and enforce this land use plan.